Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform. Embre piano asemsi na especially efa nsemo akende Japan eka yen ho na Melodies me ba pechichi mu a eya na nkrofo de omo kan ene say oh wo de wotan Kennedy Japan wo de wotan Kennedy Japan na every single time asem bia meken bia fa bibia kan Japan be kan ho bia no notice ya hu ne say ebem de me ka no ebem obon se bim be ka say Melody so kan ye omo a still omo ayo omo adwe say omo de omo mpende kre no omo de still omo ka say wo de o sorry bia de bia kan Japan ho asem na wo kan Mr. Anthony Ebeto aso no entawe na etwegu e wo screen enim no besre opata ni bia link no e wo description box ni mo o click here ya be share bro we so subscribe na click the notification bell no so we the latest news be about on sabeka this particular broadcast me bo brother Paul your WhatsApp app, one of your WhatsApp admin no me bo na ba so person join your WhatsApp group so a link no e description box ni mo ono na trese wo twen madwen esi interview bi a Kennedy Japan ko a wo kan sem bi a sa asem a wo kan no it vindicates me in a statement I made here. Na assembly nina ene say Kennedy Japan ekoye interview ewo Asase Radio. Na interview no fan baby no. Ena Kennedy Japan ka say asemu a woko kan efa Tracy Boachi ho ewo campaign rally so a woko ka say Tracy Boachi ni Mahama just Mahama to edan ama no na Mahama papa no ne sansensem ni Kennedy Japan akwa ewa Asase Radio say ya agro keke na no Kennedy Japan no wodi. Yes, Kennedy Japan akwa but see he was just joking. Na Tracy Boachi and I will no far assembly serious at Tracy Boachi no be reply or no ken I will be didi na tem when say that Kennedy Japan as assembly one sheda or be so no one sheda amba be so biom so Kennedy Japan is admitting say ya agro sansem a wokan e fa Tracy Boachi ne Mahama ho no ya agro ebia na obi beka se me Melodies na meboa yenko tie that part a Kennedy Japan ka se ya agro na wodi no na yekotie ba de me nso me wo no me de beto aso na trese yakoyenim.
So whatever happens to any man, I don't use that as unless like I was in a chance and joking about Mahama saying Tracy Boachi took it so seriously and all those things. But I really don't care because I'm not an innocent.
Hello.
Into more same way by and I'm assume the day say Annie and the Kennedy Japan or evidence no and there nipa kuna na mu ka say wo evidence no unze ende wakwa ka say ya grow na wodi embra na Kennedy Japan we ka odisi sun me mamoti ase say de Kennedy Japan ye na eye politics embra na wo kan say wo evidence Tracy me mamoti ase say evidence bi eni ho Tracy Boachi na abede no Kennedy Japan to me anfa evidence bi amba but you got people believing him and then nipa kuna na mu believing no wono na waba abonti aba beka se na ya agro keke na no odi no and won eya me ya say platform a Kennedy Japan use ye e de keka nsem we fa Tracy Boachi ne Mahama so no ankrofo ete sa nsem no a e believe ye say Kennedy Japan de working wo evidence no and there waba abonti aba beka se ya agro e na wodi no those same people enyo mu nna no mbeti Asase Radio interview no me Melodies amiti he mpo na minim se Kennedy Japan akwakoye interview e Asase Radio ba interview no mentie interview no menhwe ni na mpo ye nti na asem we kramekra mentie eyo obi na twe ma adwen senior medin kan tell no brother Paul wo ye WhatsApp administrator wo no twe ma adwen be so say Melodies kona ko hwe interview we ya Kennedy Japan wa ye na hwe nsem a waka fa Tracy Boachi ho me kwatie ya na me ka say ye iti mimpo ya me de assemble mu no mimpo no asem we mantie o so imagine de bia ya me ka say Ghana for am wa abrochie no eto de bia nsem ni bi kra mo na mo de beto yenim iti mimpo ya me de assemble mu no mimpo mante so imagine the number of people who believed in this yɛde ka asɛm etia Mahama yɛde ka asɛm tia Tracy Boakye and that me no ka say still nkrofo kasa they use this thing against Tracy Boakye and Mahama just because Kennedy Japan was the one who was saying these things. Asɛm ne bae no ɔno na wɔbɛgyina mu tintiman ɛkan yɛ ɛwɔ na tu na ɛyɛ awakɔ kasa na wɔkasa nsɛm no wɔn sɛ ɛhɔ deɛ wankɔ ankɔka sɛ yɛ agro but na yɛ kan beebi a nanka nkrɔfo tie ne paa nanka yɛ saa na tu no ba wɔn sɛ ɔkɔ interview ɛwɔ Asase radio no wakɔ akɔka sɛ ɛyɛ agro kɛkɛ na wodi asɛm a wɔka fa Tracy Boakye ne Mahama ho ɛna Mahama tɔ dan $400,000 ama Tracy Boakye de ma Tracy Boakye bedi na tem ni na Kennedy Japan ama akola ketua we di n'anim ayɛ fom free because ababonte sɛ yɛ agro na nka wɔ magana fo ni ate aseɛ sɛ yɛ agro a na ka menya hwɛ asɛm ne kana ka bedu bebi edu the damage has already been caused yegu Mahama ho fi ewie Tracy Boakye no nso yegu ne ho fi ewie and then nkrofo kasa still on meka and Mahama atodan ama Tracy Boakye and Mahama atodan because on no sa asem we aka Japan akwakokan wante ye kasa mo se mayen kasa melodies kasa mo se oh melodies so time no melodies and then one who said the meka na abem one said the meka na abem and then the meka no one za abem melodies kasa wo si hey melodies kasa mo si hey o time no si sia ye kampa na ka ho apa na time no maybe sa question o ye kan na ka ho apa na time no mo ana mo aso asem ni mu dedenden ana wasom dedenden say ani I've told you say Kennedy Japan you obi a wakasa he doesn't even show proof he doesn't even need to show proof. The other can say, oh, media me what videos so why me they be expose you, me will prove, and no people will believe him. It's and there more na mo time and chair will believe in no, and there assemble na mo waka. I'm asking you a very simple question. Assemble and them waka. Mo de Tracy Boakye ni me from no, will you come and apologize to her? You will not even do that because we di Kennedy Japan wechi ama we gu obi ho fin but oh masa oh dear oh be apologize ama ho won apologize but it is up to you media maka sansem bi say won say ento a ye ntwa asem ento wo so a ena bo say yes sansem bi say ento a yenka semento so ma won say ade a won koye say waye say and now bon say hey sa intwa to so ya ade bia ya and that me no ka say ebi mo cry flyers e de Tracy Boakye ni maboso and na wo mo atro say if you vote for me Mahama will buy me a house again just because of Kennedy Japan say ma wo kokan you know ebi mo flyers a wo mo de ye campaign etia go on Facebook. I'm sure you've also seen those flyers. So in that me no can say people are still believing in that statement Kennedy Japan made. But nipa queen so not radio station for war can say ya agro keke na one day Tracy Boakye AD. I've not said Kennedy Japan at the age no want to mean the agro obe to me the agro. I've not said so want to mean the agro obe to me the agro. And no dear ye ni na edu baby na ope so the agro ope so ye rougher. Yes. But you let people know say you're rough. Kennedy Japan kwa kan sem ni wie ye Tracy Boakye be reply no. Eno na ma Kennedy Japan bet na tu obeka say Tracy Boakye na nufu tabraba no. Instead of saying on a two say oh asema be kwa kan ne kan na ya agro na me ni udi na Tracy Boakye ade na wafa ne serious ano. Kennedy Japan sanso bet na tu di Tracy Boakye atem say ne nufu tabraba. But ended there e bakwa waka say Tracy Boakye ne nufu tabraba na ende de wo say ya agro na wodi to say atembidi a wodi no we di ni free atembidi a wodi no we di ni free me say ya wo ha say and you see it pains me say if Kennedy Japan says something lad later oba bonten ebeka so asem we amebeka ye say na si ya sa de waka no enko viral to say de wodi kankan ni te ya na nkrofo kra still wo monte ya wa hase na Kennedy Japan be mount attack on Anas Aremeyaw Anas ɛhɔ na Ken Japan kɔ ne krom na wo su akyerɛ nkrofo bi na no wo kan sɛ MPP for omo edi ne bɔne na Anas asɛm ne kra no wono Ken Japan ti ne baby na MPP for no eba bɛka kyerɛ no sɛ Anas be ye expose bi wo begu aban ni mu ase nti wono Ken Japan ne sorry na won be attack Anas na wo be attack Anas. Ken Japan said that in the audio. He was crying and he was saying say sisi asɛm ba ye no MPP for eyi nama. He was saying that in the audio, but that audio didn't go as viral as the way he attacked Anas. That audio didn't go as viral as the way he. Now, Kehona Nagana for Beka say, from now on, honorable, asemi abeka for bihu biano. I will say yenya concrete proof and say na yejidi. But this is a country we live in. And that Kenya Japan aba bonti aba beken say Tracy Boachi de no eya agro ena na wodi ana ya agro na wodi no. And that Kenya Japan aba beka sa asem no won. Obehu ne say ochina wasanso ba no wabe mount attack fresh against someone without any proof. You still get people believing him. You still get, but some of us, we will stay here. If Kennedy Japan is right, we will let you know. Because some matters bar, you want say we are cre. Na ya baba Martina mi dudie wobe kan me betina ha sei ka se Kennedy Japan be je wo bo ye wo kan fa Martina mi du hu se wo begu MPP ni mu ase no eno na waye me kan manga se o media me criticize Kennedy Japan nti o kan se mo ye ne krekra me nka da bi me de ne bo ma no nti ene de as far as some of us ye wa hai wo kan se na ye ne kra ye be kan o kan na enya ne kre ana ye fili se enya ne kre ana ye fili se won fa proving by enso a eno so ye be kan na amanse ni na ayeden ate ana amanse nyehu ntwe mo adwon comment box ni mu me da se